sandwich before the end of the week. Hope you got one already. Welcome back to On the Move. I'm Julie Hyman. Well, most millennials aren't shy about their love for travel, and in some surveys, they admit they're willing to spend the money to get a top-notch experience. So where are they making that kind of investment? Timeshare ownership appears to be one choice. Joining us now is Mike Flasky, the CEO of Diamond Resorts International. It's a timeshare company. So are you seeing most of your customers? I personally think of timeshares as more of a boomer or an Generation X kind of a thing. Are you seeing more younger people get into it?
Well, we've kind of led the industry in focusing on experiential vacations. So what we've done is we've gotten heavily involved in music and entertainment. And so what we found is the millennial demographic, if you can give them that experience in addition to the real estate. Look, we've got 437 resorts around the world, but it's that key experiential model that's bringing it.
How does that work exactly? Explain to me, like, an example.
Yeah. So if you own with Diamond Resorts, let's use Reggie Jackson. We're in New York Yankees. So Reggie bases in Tampa, and we take 12 to 15 families a day for the home New York Yankees spring training games. Reggie hosts them, takes them on the field for batting practice, sits in the suite for 9 innings with them, answers questions, takes pictures, and then the next day they come in and they meet with us and they preview potentially buying a timeshare. And we're seeing that our close rates nearly double when we put them through those experiences.
Interesting.
Well, it's no surprise to me that experiences are a big factor that millennials are looking at. People want shareability. They want to be able to post about their vacation on Instagram, but they also want flexibility, I would think. So you don't want to be posting the same things over and over again. So how has that shaped buying patterns that you're seeing?
Well, our product is a points product. It's not a traditional fixed week product. And with this points currency, they can use it on a daily basis. They can use it for airline tickets. They can use it for hotels, or they can use it for the traditional timeshare, or they can use it to go do these really cool experiences like we're talking about. So that piece of it is what creates the flexibility dynamic that is attractive. And look, with us, we've actually seen a 25% increase in millennial buyers on a compounded annual growth rate now for 3 years in a row. So it's pretty exciting.
So on the experience side, after you have made the initial sale and closing, because providing a very different experience than what some would get, how do you keep them engaged? How do you make sure that they don't get dissatisfied in the future?
Right. Well, we do over 3,000 of these special, unique events in our Events of a Lifetime platform annually. So what we do on our website is they have a password-protected website that they can log into, and there is an entire, outline of dates and a schedule of various events. It may be PGA Tour golf, it may be a culinary experience, it may be climbing Mount Kilimanjaro, it may be, we do 125 live concerts with the likes of Cole Swindell, Lee Bryce, Sister Hazel, Lauren Elena. So at our resorts, when they're on vacation, they actually can get involved in these things.
Mike, I want to ask you about resale, because that has been a challenge for the timeshare industry. And I say this anecdotally, frankly, because my parents, my dad still owns a timeshare, and he said, it's difficult if you want to get rid of the thing. Say that you've gone into your retirement years, you don't want it anymore, your travel patterns have changed. The resale market for this stuff is not super robust.
Significantly better than it used to be, because the credible developers now have a program like we have, Transitions, where they can reach out to us. If they fulfilled their obligations, they've done what they said they were going to do, they've paid their bills, they're current, and their lifestyle has changed, kids have moved out. If they reach out to us, we have a program that will work directly with them to help them exit.
So what's your favorite experience out of your offerings?
Well, I'm a music guy, so I absolutely love music. And what we're able to provide our members to get to come see a Cole Swindell who, had 8 #1 hits on the radio in a row, and he plays in front of 18,000 people in an arena, or he comes to our place and plays in front of 250, that's my favorite.
Yeah. All right, Mike, thanks for coming in. Mike Flasky, CEO of